house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucking house bored.
Assalamualaikum, how's it going? I hope you all are doing fine because I'm doing absolutely fine. And today I'm about to do a challenge which you may have guessed already or judged already by the title. That is, I will not be using my phone, laptop or any such electronics for 24 hours. So since due to corona outbreak and lockdown and that kind of stuff, we are already bored, but I will try to keep myself up and I will try to be productive in these 24 hours since I will not be using these kind of electronics. तो ऐसा होगा कि मैं ये सारा सामान अपनी बहन को दे दूँगी and she is kind of strict, so she will make sure that I do not cheat and I will also try my best to not cheat. Okay, so as I said that I will give all this stuff to my sister, so she's sitting right by me over here. So here it goes. तो चैलेंज अब कुछ यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन, दैट इज़ 24 आवर्स और इस टाइम पे टाइम हो रहा है ऑलमोस्ट 1:15. सो 24 आवर्स मीन्स दिस चैलेंज विल एंड टुमारो एट दैट एग्जैक्ट टाइम 1:15 PM. तो तब तक मैंने कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा करना है दैट कैन प्रूव आउट टू बी प्रोडक्टिव फॉर मी एंड आई विल बी एबल टू डू लॉट ऑफ बंच ऑफ स्टफ ऑब्वियसली. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आई कैन डू. Okay, so I was trying to come up with the things that I can do at this moment. So I just thought that the best and the most productive way to start off will be by reading up a book. So I will try to keep up with it and I will try to spend most time with it by reading a book. I hope so कि 1-2 घंटे निकल जाएंगे इसी तरह से.
Don't care, no baby I don't care. People always tell me take a breath. I've been looking for something that haunts me.
After reading the book, I slept for a little time, and now it's 4:30 PM, which means 3 घंटे गुजर गए and I was feeling a bit kind of hungry, so I thought to make a snack.
Get away.
So I thought that I have really great much amount of time, so in this time I can take care of myself, like I can do any kind of skincare, hair care or anything, but I don't really have skincare or hair care routine. I don't really do any such kind of stuff, so I decided to do kind of a manicure.
I've been looking for something that haunts me all night. I've been staying up hours until the sunrise. Just so casual, always living the same life. I don't really.
Okay, so I was bored, so I decided to do something like this to pass on my time, just because I think कि अच्छा खासा टाइम ले लेगा तो अच्छा खासा टाइम पास हो जाएगा. By the way, it's 6:30 at this moment, which means I have been doing this challenge for 5 hours and I have been trying to keep up with my boredom. So let's see. So finally it is done and it took me about 30 minutes. मैंने 30 मिनट में इसको सॉल्व किया. Even though I used to do it in 5 minutes, but practice ख़त्म हो गई थी, so I just got a bit confused how to do it and this and that. So, but still it's done. So I was extremely bored. So I was practicing this Rubik's Cube for like 2 hours, and now my time has decreased from 30 minutes to 3 minutes, which means a difference of 10 times. So yeah, it has gotten better for 10 times, but I'm tired of doing this. So अब मुझे कुछ और सोचना पड़ेगा करने के लिए. तो मैंने सोचा है कि क्यों ना पेंट किया जाए. उसके लिए मैंने यहाँ पे चीज़ें निकाल तो ली हैं जो मैं पेंट करूँगी. दीज आर माई पेंट्स, माई ब्रशेज आर देयर एज वेल. तो बट द थिंग इज़ it's been like from 1 year I haven't been able to paint something by my own. I always have to get some reference from internet or something, but since I cannot get it, so definitely I have to try to make something by my own this time. So I will try my best. Otherwise I have done such kind of stuff already, and these were taken by all the references from internet. So I will try to do something by my own this time. Okay, so after completing this, here it is, it's done. After completing this, I went to have dinner और अभी कुछ हो गए हैं 10 साढ़े 10 के करीब, which means शायद कि मैं आज जल्दी सोने वाली हूँ, because I literally do not have anything such to do and बोरियत में इंसान सो ही सकता है और तो कुछ कर नहीं सकता. So I think I will be sleeping early tonight, but in case if I would get any kind of inspiration to do something, I will definitely do. लेकिन खैर. Okay, so I just woke up and I'm about to do my breakfast, and definitely I haven't even combed my hair, and yeah, okay, vitamin D is very good for health, so I'm out here in the sun to get that right amount of vitamin D. Also, definitely I will try to do something more. यार क्या हो रहा है? I will definitely try to do something more after definitely I have combed my hair. Try to ignore my this ugly face, especially the morning face. So I decided to take the picture of the painting that I made yesterday, and this is how it turned out to be. Well, it was totally a time pass. So there is only about kind of 30 minutes left for the challenge to end, and I do not have any idea what I can do in these 30 minutes, but I will definitely try to do something. Maybe I will do something that I may have not done before. Okay, so I'm about to try this, and यार बड़ा है ये बहुत, and I don't even know how to hold it. I think ऐसे ही पकड़ते हैं इसको. By the way, that is a message to my sister that now if I am playing the guitar, it does not clearly means that you are allowed to play loud music in the house, and it does not mean that I am the Marasi. Now you still remain the #1 Marasi, say you know, and it is not an offense towards a guitarist or anyone who's related to music and that kind of stuff. It's just an inside joke, so don't be offended. But I don't really think that I can do it, but I'm not doing it, yeah. I just cannot. But at least I tried. मैंने try किया. That didn't go well, और मेरा इस तरह से कुछ टाइम पास होगा. That's what matters actually. Challenge हो गया complete. Finally 24 hours, and मैंने अपनी बहन को अपने सामने खड़ा किया है कि मेरी चीज़ें ले आए, मेरा सामान, मेरी अमानत मेरे सामने गिराने की कोशिश मत करो. Love you. Yeah, so far I've learned that we are not really dependent on our electronics, and we can actually survive without these stuff, without scrolling through the social media all day. There are a lot more productive things that can be done in 24 hours. So yeah, that's it. लेकिन इसके साथ मैं ये कहूँगी कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स या फिर इस किस्म की जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, ये वक्त के साथ साथ आगे बढ़ती जा रही है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि बिल्कुल इसको छोड़ के इंसान बैठ जाए और इसके अलावा ज़िंदगी गुजारे. ये भी पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि वक्त के साथ चलना है, वक्त दुनिया के साथ चलना है, सही है. वी कैन go for looking through our mobile or laptop or television, would not be like covering our whole lives the whole day or something like that. Okay? Philosophies. Khair, these were my opinions regarding this challenge. Share your opinions and your thoughts in the comment section down below. But before doing that, before commenting, most importantly, hit that red button down below to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.